Oh, Miranda. I'm Sky.
I'm Serena.
And we're really ugly right now.
Yeah.
So you're going to watch ugliness. Ooh. And you're going to watch us get all pretty fly. Using this sink and all the sink utensils.
And the sink mirror thing.
And then you'll get to see our natural beauty.
So just watch us be beautiful.
We're in our pajamas.
Yeah, we're showing you our ugliness.
Oh, should be cool.
Then we'll wash it off. We'll show you our real beauty, and then we'll put it on. Yeah. Here's so beautiful. Alright, tilt it a little bit. Guys, it's dried.
Don't burn it. Oh, we're still going to wash off. See, mine's working.
Mine's not really.
I'll try washing
You've got a ring.
Oh my god, I'm washing your unibrow off.
I can wash this off.
Yeah, try using the other ring. Here, I was a ghost, but now I can wash all my ghost skin away. I need the clear. Wait, get in the middle one. Middle.
Don't worry about it.
I have it on warm.
Warm water.
Warm water.
Oh, soap works. Duh.
Really?
Really? Oh, you can do it good.
Dub.
So we're getting so beautiful, aren't we?
Yeah.
Look at that.
The ugliness washing away. My eye cheek is gone. My cheek eye. Ew, look at the rag. Ooh. Ew, something to eat. Just like, ew. Serena, it's water. It's water. No, it's not.
But I need the rag real quick. Look.
I need to wash the off of part. You like your face? Isn't it beautiful? Her face says Lacosta and it says monkey on the chin, not in the shot.
Yeah, it really does.
Put my mascara in my eyebrows. Yes, make sure the camera's still going good. And make sure we have 50 seconds left. Wash faster. Use warm water and soap.
Yeah?
Here, you two share it because you guys are sisters.
I don't think this is going to work out, Scott.
I just got a bunch of soap in my eye. Ow, ow, ow.
Maybe we should do one when we're really ugly and then we'll do it.
Okay,
for one
see,
when
look
we're
at it. I'm almost pretty. 22 seconds left. I got this soap in my eye. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, ow.
Okay, right now we're washing up the ugliness, so, and then we're gonna do another one after this, so, just, wash the other one and make so that
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Well, it's pretty like that. What's the next one after?
3 seconds. Hi, and we're back.
Yep.
Again.
Okay,
They're still ugly, but I like trying to wash it off. But look at my eye. Now it's all red because I got soap in it. Oh, that was painful. Here, where's that rag? I need to, like, just finish.
Yeah.
Thank you. You gotta wring it out so it's not filled with water.
Just finish.
Ew.
Moving off all that.
Ugh. I got coffee. It's not working.
Yes,
Yeah. It is.
What's that?
Have you used soap yet?
No, but I want to get stuff in my eyes.
Just don't put it on your eye like I did. I was stupid. Oh, yeah, that's so not working. Look at her cheek now. Look at, and then erase. No, wait, look. And I'm going to erase some of it. Erasing the monkey. I'm so sorry, monkey. Mm. Oh, yes, this is going to taste so good. I need some more shit. I need some more shampoo. I mean soap. Oh, okay. I need water. Here. Some soap. And wash this off. Okay, it's getting off the crust of your eyeball. I forgot to wring it out. Sorry. Got a bunch of stuff.
Ew, you just got it on my arm.
Okay, now look at her. Soap. Not done yet. I bet that tastes so good, but you needed help. Honey, where's the unibrow? Here. help of it.
Oh, yes, I do. How much water do we got last night? Can you check?
I'll check.
Somebody?
83 seconds left.
Yeah, I need help. Oh, I think this is off. This is guy. Can't open it. Can I?
Oh, sweetheart, it just started. It's like drying out. This. I need a soap-free thing. Here's a napkin that's soap-free. Oh, that feels good. Oh, it's pink. Here, I need some help.
No, really?
Hey, I already checked. You have like plenty of time. Look at Trina's face. Look at it. You can get your face.
Yeah.
No, look at Trina's face. I'll be
Try not to. What?
I said you could ugly. Okay, you can wash off your own eye. You put on too many blackheads. Keep on trying to wash off. Oh.